and gentlemen, the cow does not come here tonight to be judged, but the judge. Hear then his accusations and his sentences. One, two, three. I indict the Spanish incumbent for inventing taxes impossible to pay. I indict the usurer for saddling me with them impossible to pay. I indict the responsible radical leaders who undermine with insidious effects the confidence of my clients into government. You accuse me for not supporting my family. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. You accuse me for ignorance. But because my master find it profitable to keep me ignorant.
Good.
Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of indolence. But I am indolent. Not because I have no will. Not because I have no will. Why should I labor? If all the fruits of my labor got to pay an unpayable debt. Free me from bondage and I shall prove you false. One, two, three. Give me land, land to own. Land unbeholden to any tyrant. Land that will be free. Give me lands where I am starving. Give me lands that my children may not die. Sell it to me. Sell it to me at a fair price. As one freeman sells to another, and not as the usurer sells to his slave. I am poor, but I will pay for it. I will work until I fall my weariness, for my privilege, my inalienable right to be free. One, two, three. But if you will not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, then build a wall around your house. Build it high, build it strong. Place a sentry on every parapet. For I, who have been silent there, 300 years will come in the night when you are feasting with my bride and my polo at your door. And may God have mercy on your soul. One, two, three. Lands of Bondage, Land of the Free by Raoul Mongla. One, two, three.